Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to block a Gmail account. If you want to avoid unwanted interactions, you can easily block them with your Gmail account. You can easily do this on your Android device, your computer, and even on your iPhone or iPad. If you want to block someone on Gmail, first go open your web browser and log into your Gmail account. Once you're logged into your account, open a message in order to block them. Once you click open the email, click on the three dots at the top right corner and now click on the block option right below the delete this message. From the pop-up, select block in order to confirm your blocking action. Once you block a sender, their message will go to your spam folder. And if you've blocked someone by mistake, you can unblock them using the same step. Click open the email and simply click on unblock sender at the top of the screen. From the pop-up, select unblock and there you go. That is how you can block a certain Gmail account from sending you emails. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.